Hi dear students, welcome to my class. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle from Peddapelli. Now we are going to learn MAT, Mental Ability Test. In JNVST 6th class, we have Section 1 Mental Ability Test, that is MAT. There are 40 questions. Each question carry 1 and quarter marks. So 40 into 1 and quarter marks is equal to 50 marks. This is non-verbal test. Questions are based on figures and diagrams only. Questions are meant to assess general mental functioning of the candidates. Section 1 has 10 parts. In each part, there will be 4 questions. So, there are totally 10 fours are 40 questions. Each question carries 1 and quarter marks. So, there are 40 into 1 and quarter mark is equal to 50 marks for 40 questions. In JNVST, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test prospectus have this order, the following order. Part 1, odd man out or classification. Part 2, similarities or figure matching. Part 3, incomplete figures or pattern completion. Part 4, series or figure series completion. Part 5, analogy. Part 6, incomplete squares or cutting figures or geometrical figure completion, that is triangle, square, circle, etc. Part 7, mirror imaging. Part 8, punched old pattern, folding or unfolding. Part 9, space visualization or shapes after adding or formation of figures. Part 10, embedded figures or included figures or hidden figures. Children, you will get more marks in this part. It is very important that you will understand the concept of various parts. All the concept of various parts are given in this book. Go through the concepts and get more marks. But I will teach you the following order, that is a sequential order. Today I will teach you part 2, that is similarities or figure matching. That's why only I chosen this is topic 1, part 2, similarity or figure matching. Directions. In question numbers 1 to 4, a question figure is given on the left side and 4 answer figures marked A, B, C, D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which is exactly the same as the question figure and darken the circle in the OMR answer sheet against the number corresponding to the question. Let us see few examples. Question figure, answer figures. So here is a question figure like N. These are 4 answer figures. First we have to observe this part here to here. So arrow mark going up. So in this also going up, arrow marks going up. So in this also up. But in second figure, arrow mark coming down. So coming down. So this is not correct option. Next in C, figure C, arrow marks coming down. So in this also coming down. So this is also not correct option. Next in question answer figure D, arrow mark going up. So these two are in competition. A and D are in competition. Next, we have to identify the next part. So next part, arrow mark coming this side. Just wait. So arrow mark coming this side. So these two already eliminated. So A and D only in competition. So in this also coming same side, but in figure D, arrow mark coming quite opposite to this arrow mark. So that's why A is the correct option. So A is the correct option. A is the correct option. Next, in second figure, first we we are observing these arrow marks. So going corners. So in this also corners. In this a different going sides, going opposite to side. So this is not correct. Next, in option C, arrow marks coming inside. So this is also correct, not correct option. So in D, arrow marks going to corner. So these two are in competition. A and D are in competition. So next, we are comparing these matchsticks. So in this matchsticks are inside, in this question figure outside means corner side, but in this middle. So that's why this is not correct option. So we compare, no need of comparing, this is the answer, no need of comparing. If you have doubt, you may compare. So see here. So problem figure and option D is same. So that's why D is the correct option. So this is the easiest way, easiest part. How to identify easiest easily? There is a method to identify easily. So easy method to find out the answer. What is the easy method? It is a waste of time if we watch the problem figure in whole. Children, we don't observe total parts at a time. We have to observe a single part and then the answer figure. And then the answer figure. The problem figure must be divided into many parts. We have to divide the problem figure, these arrows, these mastics, like this we have to divide. Match each part with the answer figure. For example, if head is given, then it should be divided as air, ears, air, ears, eyes, nose, lips, lips, chin, and should be compared with the answer figure. If one part is different in the answer figure, then it should be marked with a dot or a cross mark on top or bottom. While observing the second part, the dotted figure should not be observed as it is different from problem figure. By comparing each part, three figures would be different. The fourth one matches with the problem figure. So select the number below that figure. This kind of method that is dotted on wrong answer figure is called deletion process. Let us see one more example to understand clearly question figure, answer figure. So to identify answer, first we have to observe the edges of this question figure and answer figure. So this is the 8. So here black 8. So this is not correct option. Next, second, third, fourth, same 8. So these three are in competition. Next we have to identify the year. So in this second figure, here we have one black dot. So this is not correct option. So remaining 3 and 4 are in competition. So next we have to identify the eyes. So here eyes is black. So that's why this is also not correct option. So absolutely fourth one is the correct, because the first, second, third are not correct options. So that's why fourth one is exactly absolutely correct option. Correct option is 4. So every part is same, every part is similar to question figure. So fourth one is exactly correct. Okay children, so this is very easiest part. I think you understood well. So